Greetings, Rocketeers! This is your Toy Commander, and are you guys ready for today's mission? Great, so am I! Alright guys, I am really excited today because we will be flying this Cessna 182. This is a 3-channel, 2.4 gigahertz radio-controlled airplane. I really enjoy flying these RC planes because it's kind of relaxing for me. It's more like a stress relief for myself because I'm sitting there, I shut my phone off, I have me, my control, my plane. It's a very relaxing hobby to have. I really enjoy it. Cool. It's been a little while since I reviewed a plane on the channel, but I'm super excited for this plane because I've been looking for an RC plane for a while that had some type of LED light, something I can fly at night. And I finally found one. Now this here is everything you need is in this box to fly. So you have your transmitter right here, 2.4 gigahertz. It's a 3-channel. I do recommend going 3-channel and more. The 2-channel doesn't work out for me because I can't really control it too much. Bingo! I don't know about you guys, but if it's a 2-channel plane, I won't even buy it. I won't even consider it. What? Here's a quick look at the side of the box. Supposedly it does some 360-degree flips. It has the gyro, so it makes it a little bit easier to stabilize, which is nice. But I would imagine if you want to do some of those flips, you need to take it off the gyro just so it has some flip ability to it. Let's open this thing up and check out what's inside here. Let's flip it the right way. Let's see what we get. Make sure nothing's broken, right? That's important. Alright, so let's take out the wing carefully. Really? And there are the lights right. Oh, wait a minute, we got a little bit of damage here. Oh, not bad. Nothing to worry about. The other side looks good. There's all the lights I was talking about. We have the green and the red, and there's just where you plug the lights in right there. And this wing does attach with a screw. I kind of like the decals here, the stars and stripes, you know what I mean? Pretty cool. Oh boy, not good. Oh man. This plane actually already looks used. Oh, gross. And yes, it is. It has some dents and, oh wow, the motor's actually broken. So this will be going back to the company and we'll be getting a new one. Alright guys, before I open this up, now this is the second plane that I had. Now the clips before this are from 2 weeks ago because I ordered this plane and it came in already used, broken, all types of scrapes, and it looks like the motor was damaged and it looks like it was used, it put back in the box and it somehow made it to my house. Oh no! So hopefully this time around everything is in working condition and it's a new plane. So let's see what we got here. Right, a good thing is it has a handle because I noticed on my last plane, the one that was broken didn't even have the handle on it, so that was probably an indication that it was used. All right, here we go. Let's see if it's new. All right, so far everything looks like it's in working condition. Let's take out the wing. And the wing looks perfectly fine. Looks like it's not used yet, so that's good. Here comes the fuselage. All right, let's see, get this carefully. Now these are styrofoam, so you have to be very careful of removing them. Come on. Oh, it's wedged in there pretty good. Okay, hold on. Oh, man. All right. Oh, this is new because the last one didn't have this on it, so we have a nice new plane. Look at that. Cool. And you can see the servos in the back there, and there's the computer board. I like how everything's like right visual right here. And this right here is where you plug in your LED lights. So there it is, the front. Oh, nice and attached. Everything looks in good working condition. Here is the area where your battery will go in. All right. Let's see what else we have. 2 batteries. I'm gonna get those on the charger right away. I'm not sure if those are charged or not. And remote right here looks good, brand new. Directions and some spare parts. All right, let's go over what we have for spare parts here. Here is our landing gear. We have the 3 tires, one for the front and the 2 that go in the back. What do we have here? These are the screws. They're very small. Here is our 3 propellers right here. 1, 2, 3, and that little tiny screwdriver to put the wing on. Put that aside. Our directions, our 2 batteries. What do we have here? Oh, cool. Here is our charger with the USB cable. Let's get these batteries plugged in right away because we want to make sure we can get this thing up in the air as soon as possible. Plug that in. Let's get these batteries on here, get them nice and fully juiced. Okay, so let's take a look at our remote control real quick. Pretty standard. This is your throttle on this side. We'll go up and down. And this is the control rudder on this side, which will, will take you all around the whole left, right, up and down. You're gonna see these 2 buttons on the top. Now, the one on the left is the LED switch. That'll turn your lights off and on. And then this one over here is the gyro switch if you want to shut it off. Here's your power switch right here in the center. Now if you want to fine tune the tailplane balance, the fine tuner is right here, this button right there. There's 4 AA batteries that'll go right in there. Alright, first of all, let's pop on this landing gear. This should fit right in there. Yep, that pops in. Alright, that's the front wheel, and this one here should just pop right on the back. Just like that. And there you go. There's not much left to do but attach the main wing here, but first, before we do that, we're gonna hook up our lights right here. You're gonna see that spot right in there. Alright, I finally got that connection. I did have a little bit of difficulty trying to get my fingers in there to connect that, but we're gonna test it out to make sure. Now this will tuck right in here, like that. Well, let's take out the screw first. They give us one already, and they give us 3 extras too. So let's put this in. Let's tuck the wires in there, make sure they don't get pinched. Alright, here we go. Let's put that screw back in. And I think that's in. You don't want to screw it down too tight, because if you strip it, you won't be able to keep the wings in. I think that's all set. And I think we're ready to go. Before we head outside for our maiden flight, why don't we just test out to make sure everything runs here in the studio. So let's grab this battery, let's install it right here. Oh, the lights already went on, so it looks like we're ready to go. Let's get this thing in the air. Here's a closer look. I took the prop and you can see right here that the motor is crooked. And like I said earlier, it's causing the plane to go to the right. So I'm gonna send this one back and get another one. All right guys, we finally got our Cessna 182 in the mail. I just put it together. Now this is my 3rd attempt at getting the plane right, because the first one they sent me was damaged and it was used and it was all cracked. And the second one they sent me, the prop was crooked. And then on the 3rd one, the wheels didn't fit right. So here we are with our 4th plane, and we're gonna make sure it works. We had a nice big open field here. And it's gonna be really cool because there's lights on each wing, a green and a red light. Okay, I think that's good. Wish me luck on this one. There we go. Oh, it's a little bit heavy. Not that big, get up there. Looks cool though, right, with that light? Cut the engine right there. The wind's just keeping it up there.
The wind did pick up a little bit.
That was good.
That was good.
Not too bad.
See the lights? It looks like Firefly right now.
Have you ever flown in that, right?
No. Oh man, that was bad.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video with the P707 Cessna 182 Part 10 with the LED lights on the wings. Now, I do have to say a couple times it had a mind of its own, but I did manage to regain control of the plane, but overall it flies pretty good. You do need a little bit of extra open space with this because I have some other double prop planes with two propellers on the wings, and it's a lot easier to maneuver in a neighborhood setting where there's homes. If you guys want to see more of these RC plane videos, just hit that like button and I'll be sure to do some more of these. Share this video with your friends and come back to Planet Zizzle to keep the missions going. This is your Toy Commander signing off, and I'll see you guys on our next mission. It's now time for me to blast off out of here.